Good morning. First one of the day has just turned up. This is a new client, just ridden all the way from the other side of London with his lovely Scrambler 1200 XC. He bought this in November, has ridden it all through the winter, so she's looking pretty sad for herself. His spokes, oh my goodness. So he's gone with one of our legendary full Monty valets that will get a proper Snowfoam safe wash, loosen up all these contaminants. We will detail all these wheels, calipers, discs, get all this exhaust minted up like new, get it looking like it should, and then we're going to apply the XCP clear coat corrosion protection on all your motor, all underneath your engine, all down the front of your rad. Anything that I think might corrode will get a lovely misting of the XCP clear coat. We'll put it underneath the seat as well, and then we'll brush the XCP orange on all your nuts and bolts, anything that I think needs that extra protection. So get it looking like it should. It's come a long way, so give me a couple of hours. He is at the cafe next door having a lovely breakfast. Let's work some magic. Oh, he wants these silly warning stickers taken off. So we'll get my heat gun out first, get those off, and then we'll get cracking with some cleaning. Give me a couple of hours. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Triumph Scrambler 1200 XE has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This thing has come up a right treat. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets with the XCP corrosion protection, extra polishing on those exhausts. Look at that, they have come up like new. Everything on this bike has been meticulously cleaned, all your discs, all your calipers, every single spoke has been polished. Not much that hasn't been touched on this. We then blow dried it all to make sure to remove any moisture from your switch gear, etc. And then we misted it all with XCP corrosion protection, all up underneath the seat, all your engine, all behind your rad, all your switch gear. Anything that I think might corrode has had a nice misting of the XCP clear coat. We then brushed on the XCP orange on all your banjo bolts, caliper bolts, head bolts, all the little bits and pieces which I know do corrode on these bikes. All the chain had been thoroughly cleaned, blow dried, re-lubed. We used a Silkaline titanium gel. Extra XCP on all your banjo, your spindle nuts, etc. Absolutely gleaming. I removed all those silly warning stickers off of there. We gave the tank a good clean. Look at that exhaust. It is as new. Obviously won't stay like that for long once it's warmed up a few times, but all done in 2 hours. Gentleman dropped it off, went to the cafe next door, had a bit of breakfast and a coffee while I worked some magic. Don't forget, we're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give me a buzz at 07966 249 963.